This is the loudest snow I've ever heard in my life. You two go round the back. Wait for me to drop the sleigh from the roof, okay? Go team!
What's going on? Hey, who taught Mabel how to use the doorbell? Man, that's awesome. You smart little dog.
What's this? All right, here it comes. Get ready.
You sound oh! Oh, look at that. Mabel is delivering cakes now. I mean, is this the best Christmas or what? Holy moly! Man, I don't know what's in this cake, but I think I just saw Santa Claus. Let me get another piece.
Today was great! We did mean things, and we did them in style. Max, you know the rules. You sleep in your bed, and I sleep in. Oh, no, not you two. I don't believe this. Max, did you teach him puppy eyes? Fine. This one time.